television, everything. 12th hole, big tourney. Sawgrass, I think maybe like 2009. Shanks.
Stick is back with season 2 on Apple TV. This season, Pricey Cahill tries to return professional golf while young Shanti works hard to become a great golfer. Owen Wilson and Peter Dagger return in the main roles. Season 2 premium on November 4 to 26, only on Apple TV. If you like the update, follow for more updates and thanks for watching.